How can you build a strong relationship that actually lasts? Number 1, choose commitment over feelings. Love is not just kilig. Feelings fade, but commitment stays. Kahit na may araw na hindi kayo okay, you still choose each other. Number 2, communicate clearly and not emotionally. Hindi lahat kailangan gawing away. Learn to express calmly. Sabihin mo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo and hindi yung pahulaan. Number 3, listen to understand, not to win. Hindi ito debate. Kapag nagsasalita ang partner mo, makinig ka talaga. Minsan, they don't need solutions. Kailangan lang nilang maramdaman na naiintindihan mo sila. Number 4, respect each other's individuality. Hindi dahil kayo na, mawawala na ang sarili ninyo. Give each other space to grow. Healthy love allows freedom, not control. Number 5, solve problems as a team. Hindi yung ako versus ikaw, dapat tayo versus problema. Kapag ganito ang mindset ninyo, mas madaling maayos ang lahat. Number 6, keep small efforts alive. Hindi kailangang grand gestures lagi. Simple messages, appreciations, and time together, malaking bagay na yan. Number 7, be honest even when it's uncomfortable. Truth builds trust. Kahit mahirap sabihin, sabihin mo pa rin. But of course, with respect. Number 8, forgive but don't ignore patterns. Okay lang magpatawad, but be wise. Kung paulit-ulit ang problema, kailangan ng real change. Hindi yung sorry lang. Number 9, grow together, not apart. Support each other's goals. Kapag pareho kayong nag-i-improve, mas tumitibay ang relationship. And number 10, choose love every single day and every single time. Love is a decision, not just a feeling. Araw-araw, piliin mo kung paano ka magmamahal. Can you relate? Here's my 2 cents. A strong relationship isn't built on perfect moments. It's built on consistent effort, respect, and choosing each other kahit mahirap. Tag your one friend who needs to hear this. And together, let's make the world a little better. Another day, another real talk, and I'll see you on the next one. Ingat!